Hi friends, this is just a quick deal alert. These Bosch bits, this particular kit is a little 24-piece bit kit. Comes with one extension, and the list of bits is back here. You got 2 Phillips 1, 5 Phillips 2, 2 times their Phillips 2R, so it's kind of that combo bit with the Robertson and the Phillips 2. One of their Phillips 3, 1 T15, 2 T20s, 2 T25s, 1 T30, 2 Robertson 1, 4 Robertson 2, and 1 Robertson 3. So good assortment of bits. It's not everything, but I think it's a pretty good deal. But the reason for this video is this set has been on clearance at my local Menards for a while, and so every time I go back, I've been picking it up. It's somewhere around $7, a little bit more than 7. But for the, to get a couple of these Phillips 2s, it's $4. So let me just kind of put that in perspective. So I think this is a great little kit just to stock up on bits. I really like these Bosch bits. I like these holders as well. I think this is really well done. Very easy to access the bits, and they hold in there really well. They don't shake loose whatsoever. So excellent little setup. So I've basically been making my own kind of combinations of kits from these various bits, and then just adding, I think I've just purchased a few of the Phillips 2 Robertson 2 bits, because this is just Phillips 2 Robertson 1, I believe. So let me put one of those out here. So I've done other reviews on these guys, but I think these actually seat better than the ECX bits and the Klein variety. So been very pleased with these all the way around. They've held up well for me as well. So anyway, just a little heads up, take a look at your Menards if you have one locally. It's worth a shot.